Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a new graphics card to your PC. So, let's get started. First of all, I have a very old computer, and it's a pretty old computer. It's a Dell Dimension 2400, so it takes a PCI video card, which I found a very good PCI video card, a PNY a PNY graphics card. It's a PCI based, and it has a VGA and another port. So now I'll show you how to install the graphics card. So now right here is my computer, my PC, and these are 3 of the PCI slots right here. 3 PCI slots, and then where the VGA connectors go. In my I updated my PC to Windows 7, and my graphics card wasn't supported with it, so it was all blurry and big. So I need a new graphics card. So I bought this one, and now I'll show you how to install it. First of all, you need your graphics card. Like I have the PNY one right here, and you should, first of all, you unplug everything from your PC, every cord, turn the power off, put your hand on metal to discharge the current, and then you can start putting it in. So I'll find the cords here. It's not going in quite right here. There we go. And then push it, make sure it's completely fit into your PC. Just make sure. And then I have a screw here and a screwdriver. So now I will just to make it be in there, I'll screw it in there. There. Now, one more quick check. So I'll put in. Okay, there's my PC. Now, right now, I actually installed all the drivers and everything. So, what you do now is you plug all of your cords back in. Either use the installation disk that came with your graphics card, or find a driver online, and then install it and restart your computer and everything, and then you'll be set to go. Well, that's all you do. So I'm not going to show you that right now, so that's it then. So